Hello, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to utilize Mendeley effectively in writing research papers. So the first thing that you will need to have is called the Mendeley Reference Manager. So we're going to go look into the Mendeley Reference Manager here. And this is a desktop app that you can download from mendeley.com. So I would highly recommend downloading that. Within the manager, you can nicely organize all of your articles according to their topics. As you can see here on the left-hand side, I have several collections, as they call it. So I have a collection for these different topics which are helpful in different sections of my thesis. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how to create a new collection. So you go down here and let's create and call it trial collection. So then we're going to go into this, and then now we're going to talk about importing articles to the reference manager, upon which it will automatically reference. So let's just say that I want to grab a journal article. So we're going to go into a journal review paper. We'll upload it to this collection. And very nicely, you can see that it updates and it cites it within here and with the DOI and such. So that's great. Now we need to implement it into our paper itself. So let's look at the aspect of citing inside of the paper. So if we go into here, then we want to insert an image. So let's just, because this is going to be useful when citing. So we're just going to insert any image and imagine that this comes from that paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert the caption figure number and say trial Mendeley image. And then the nice thing is I have this thing called Mendeley Cite. So Mendeley Cite is a plugin for Microsoft Word. It's something that you can download online, and then once you open Word, it will import into it. So what we can do here is we can go into Mendeley Cite, and where my cursor is where it's going to put the reference. So I can look through all the references and I can go to my collection. So first thing you need to do always is update from the library. Okay, references updated successfully. So now we go to our publications, trial collection, and we cite the article that we imported to the reference manager. And as you can see, it imports the citation as needed, IEEE. We scroll all the way down, and we see that the article has been added to our references, which is awesome. So this is a great tool. And of course, you're going to want to cite within bodies of text as well. But as you can see, this is a great tool for combining the Mendeley Reference Manager and the Mendeley Cite to save you a lot of time. And And another thing I want to note is file management. So what is very helpful is for the report and for each chapter, having separate folders per section. So as you can see, I have separate folders. Let's just say that I want to do 1.8. And what I have here are notes for the section. So this, for example, is using that paper, and I took some notes already. And then you have some pictures, and then I cited which sources they came from and made separate folders for the sources. So it just keeps me organized. So we can even see a better example in 1.6. We'll have several sources that I've used, and then I can easily know which ones to reference within my actual report. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope that this can improve students' process in writing their research thesis or journal papers.